In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will help you seamlessly connect your bank to Zoho Books for streamlined financial management. First, let's kick things off by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Banking. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to managing all things related to your financial institutions within Zoho Books. From this module, you can add, view, and manage the various bank accounts and credit cards linked to your business. Now that you're in the banking module, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Add Bank or Credit Card. Clicking this will initiate the process for adding a new financial account to your Zoho profile. Next up, you'll need to select your bank from a drop-down menu that appears. Zoho Books has partnerships with several banks to ensure a smooth integration experience through platforms like Yodlee and Token. Choosing your bank from this list is crucial to ensure that the subsequent steps proceed without a hitch. Once your bank is selected, you will be prompted to enter your bank login credentials. It's important to note that these are the same details you use for logging into your online banking platform. After entering these credentials, Zoho Books will securely establish a connection with your bank. The next step involves selecting the specific account you wish to connect. If you have multiple accounts with the same bank, Zoho Books will display them for you. Simply click on the one you want to link to your Zoho Books account. After choosing the account, you'll proceed to set the date range for fetching historical transactions. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to bring in up to the last 90 days of transactions. Having access to past transactions can greatly enhance your financial reporting and analysis within Zoho Books. Furthermore, you'll have to select the currency that corresponds to your bank account. This is especially important if your business deals with multiple currencies. Accurate currency selection ensures that your financial data is reflected correctly in your reports. Once all these choices are made, click on Continue. This final step will establish the connection between Zoho Books and your bank. From this point forward, your financial data will begin syncing, allowing you to effortlessly manage and track your financial transactions directly within Zoho Books. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a bank account to Zoho Books, setting the stage for more efficient financial management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out with any questions or explore our other videos for more helpful tips.